Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel How To. In this video we will see that how you can convert your text file into Excel, and you can convert this into separate Excel columns as per desired width or your comma, there is a comma or any character. You can separate this by any delimited. So what we have to do, I am going to Excel file where I will add this data. Okay, I am going to add it from my second row, as I am going to insert headers in my first row. So click on get external data, then click on from text. Now you have to select your text file. You can see it is text document. You have to browse your computer and find the desired file. So this is my file. Then there are two options. One is delimited, such as commas or tabs. So you can separate your data by commas or tabs or whatever characters are present in your data. And second option is you can separate your data in the separate columns by fixed width. So I am going to select fixed width. For example, I am going to click on next. Then I am going to select the width where I want my data in separate columns. So I want this data in separate columns, and then once I am done, I will click on next, then finish. So it will ask where you want to place your data. Okay, I have already selected A2, so you can select where you want to paste your data. Okay, so here is my data. Now I am going to place headers of this data. You can do it by yourself, whatever the headers for your data. You can see now there are some characters may be present in your data, so you have to delete them or replace them. So we can use replace function. Okay, I am going to replace this by nothing, replace all. So you can see now my data is ready for analysis, for pivot table or anything else what you want to achieve in Excel. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this.